when you see this like this, you have a U, okay? And I told you about the anterior cerebral artery being in the midline. No diversion. Okay? No deviation whatsoever. And the reason for that is because of the falx cerebrum. Okay? So there is a reason for the appearance, and it's anatomical. Got it? So the reason why the proximal segment of the vertebral artery is straight is because it is inside the bone. And the reason why the anterior cerebral artery is in the midline is because of the falx. Got it? Okay. So when you see this is the U of the middle cerebral artery and the anterior cerebral artery. Then you have a branch here. You can see faintly the posterior communicating artery. And when it communicates, sometimes there's some andograms where you can also see the posterior circulation, the vertebrobasilar branches. Okay, so look at this now.
Look at me now.
Hindi na siya U. Ito, alin na hindi U? Ito,
U nga siya, di ba?
Hindi na po straight yung B. Yung...
hindi straight yung ACA. Parehas silang curve. Got it? Because this is not the internal carotid artery or APU. This is the vertebrobasilar or posterior circulation. You look? This is the main parent. This is the basilar. And these are the two posterior cerebral arteries. Baka hindi na nakita. Posterior cerebral arteries. They're like U. It's also like a U, isn't it? It's also a U. But here, this U is midline and this is straight. And these are two curved things. So do not be misled by the U. Got it? So what is this? This is the posterior cerebral arteries, and these are the branches of the posterior cerebral arteries. So from here, you can recognize this is the posterior circulation angio, and this is the anterior circulation angio. Got it? Don't be like pakisote. Parehas U. But may U siya din. Pero here, the U on the APU must be straight in the middle. And that's the anterior cerebral artery. Of course, the branches